Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to discuss on the important topic how vaccines work. Think of vaccines as your personal defenders against diseases. They train your immune system to recognize and combat harmful pathogens without causing illness. Understanding how they work is vital for appreciating their impact on health and safety. So let's break down the science behind these incredible medical tools. This graph explains how primary and secondary immune response helps in activating an immune response in the vaccinated individual compared to the non-vaccinated individuals. A vaccine is like a practice run for your immune system. It introduces a small, harmless part of the pathogen, such as protein or a piece of its genetic material, to your body. This doesn't cause the disease but prepares your immune system to recognize and fight the pathogen if you encounter it in the future. It's similar to the rehearsal before a big performance. So your immune system is ready for the real show. The image depicts some common components of vaccines, such as its active ingredients, adjuvants, antibiotics, stabilizers, preservatives, trace components. Not all the vaccine contain all of them. It varies depending on the actual need. When you receive a vaccine, your immune system starts to produce an immune response. This means it activates white blood cells that recognize and target the pathogen. More importantly, vaccines train your immune system to remember how to deal with the pathogen in the future by creating memory cells. These cells act like a memory bank. So if you are exposed to the real pathogen later, your immune system can quickly respond and protect you. For example, tick bite might trigger severe reaction in non-vaccinated individuals, creating Lyme disease, which may lead to arthritis, swelling, and severe headaches, and etc. Comparing to the vaccinated individuals, the risk of getting the allergic reactions is much higher in non-vaccinated individuals. There are several types of vaccines, each with its methods of stimulating immunity. Inactivated or killed vaccines use dead pathogens that can't cause disease but still trigger an immune response. Live attenuated vaccines use weakened form of pathogen that can still multiply slightly but won't cause illness. Subunit, recombinant or conjugate vaccines include only parts of the pathogen such as proteins to prompt an immune response. Each type is designed to provide effective protection in its own way. In the figure, you can see different types of influenza type vaccines such as DNA, synthetic peptides, infectious virus, whole inactivated viruses, etc. etc. The journey of vaccine from concept to your arm involves several stages. First, scientists conduct research to find the best components for the vaccine. Next, clinical trials test the vaccine on volunteers in several phases to ensure it is safe and effective. If it passes these trials, it gets approved by regulatory agencies and then produced on a large scale. Each step is crucial to ensure that vaccine is both safe and works as intended. This figure shows how the vaccine rollout timeline worked specifically for COVID pandemic. Vaccines have transformed public health by eliminating or controlling many diseases. For example, smallpox has been eradicated worldwide thanks to vaccination. Polio is nearly eradicated with only a few cases reported globally. Vaccines not only protect individuals but also contribute to herd immunity, which protects these who cannot be vaccinated, such as infants and people with weakened immune systems. This collective protection helps prevent the spread of diseases within communities. The COVID-19 pandemic brought unprecedented challenges, but it also led to rapid advancements in vaccine technology. COVID-19 vaccines were developed at record speed thanks to decades of prior research and collaboration across the globe. One groundbreaking technology used its mRNA, which teaches cells how to make a protein that triggers an immune response. Examples include Pfizer, BioNTech, and Moderna vaccines. Viral vector vaccines like the Johnson & Johnson vaccine use a different virus to deliver instructions to our cells. Protein subunit vaccines like Novavax use harmless piece of virus to stimulate an immune response. The efficacy of these vaccines is impressive, particularly in preventing severe illness, hospitalization, and death. While no vaccine is 100% effective, the COVID-19 vaccines have significantly reduced the burden of the disease and are crucial in controlling the pandemic. Additionally, ongoing research and booster doses are helping to address variants and maintain immunity over time. The COVID-19 vaccine effort is a testament to what can be achieved through scientific innovation and global cooperation. There are some common myths about vaccines that needed addressing. First, vaccines do not cause diseases that protect against. They are designed to prevent illness, not cause it. Second, while natural immunity can be strong, it often comes with the risk of serious illness or complications. Vaccines provide a way to build immunity without exposing yourself to the dangers of the actual disease. It is safer and more controlled method of protection. So these are the popular myths that are actually false, such as COVID mRNA vaccines can cause death. COVID mRNA vaccines reduces the effectiveness of the immune system, and women who take COVID-19 vaccines can't be breastfed. These are the false myths. Let's end with some fascinating facts about vaccines. Over the years, vaccines have saved millions of lives by preventing diseases that once caused widespread suffering and death. For example, vaccines have significantly reduced the incidence of diseases like measles, mumps, and rubella. Additionally, research in vaccines is always advancing, with new vaccines being developed to tackle emerging diseases and improve existing ones. It's an exciting field with ongoing breakthroughs to keep us safe and healthy. Thanks for watching my presentation. Hope you guys learned something today. See you soon in my next video. Thank you.